Hello. This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I'm here to show you what I got. What did I get? I went to Tina and Sabrina's sale, and let me move all of this real quick, and let's talk about what I got from Tina's. So, there was something else, but I've already used it, so, I can't show it to you. Can't share. Nope, can't share. So, this is one of the things that I bought from Tina. And you can see she does these little cards, you know, that are her thank yous. And then she gives you, like, some little sample pieces, which is really cool. And then you also get, like, this little thank you. And she puts, like, some ephemera in it. She makes it on her own print, you know, her paper and everything. But what it is these little pads that she made. Isn't that cute? I love it. But they're just little, you know, little mixed media, little notepads that she makes. And so I grabbed those from her, you know, just to throw on my desk and be able to use. And I bought 2 packs of her Halloween Buildables. I can't say that word. All right, they're clusters, okay? So I bought these. They're so cute, right? Look at this one. It's a little haunted house. A little haunted house and a spider with googly eyes. Then there's this one that she's made on the domino, one of those, you know, those cardboard, those thin dominoes. And it's got a little spider on it and a little tombstone. And then this one that says Hocus Pocus, and it's got the crystal ball and the little kitty cat. And the thing I love about these is when you get them, she puts double-sided tape on the back of them already, so they're ready to go. And I got 2 packs of those, and this one is mostly on poker chips. See, she used poker chips as her base. Really good use of, like, some poker chips. $2. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces in the bag, and it's $2. And I love these things, and I use them. So I grabbed them from her. She had extras, so I grabbed some, you know. And that woman can make a cluster, let's be honest. So I got all that stuff from her and other things, and I'll show you those things later. And then I went over to, well, I didn't go over. They switched over to Sabrina's sale, and I got some stuff from Sabrina. Let me show you guys. So we'll start with these. So I bought these for the hags. So there's this one. There's 2 of those. And then this one. And that one. You can see why I got that for hags, right? And then there was 2 of these. Yeah, I know. It looks just like her, right? Then there's one of these. This one. Cute as shit. This little guy. And then this one here. So I got these for the hags. She doesn't know that yet, but she'll find out in a minute. She has no idea what they are, but she's in the other room. She hears me saying her name, so she thinks she knows what's going on. Okay, so what else did I get? So I also got 3 packs of these, 2 packs of these, and these are stamped colored images that she did that are all Halloween images. And they're just stinking cute. And there's like a dozen of them, 10 of them I think in each one. So I grabbed those. And then she had these that she also cut out of a pad. And these are just like apothecary jars. And if I had gotten there earlier, I'd have bought a bunch of these because I'm too lazy to cut these things out myself. And these are stinking cute. And I can use them on all kinds of things. So I got those. And then she had this this little Harry Potter set. And this was probably the most expensive thing I bought. This was $5. Let me show you. So it had a couple of Hogwarts playing cards in it. And then it had some Hogwarts napkins and stuff. And the reason I bought it was for this back here. These are postcards from the movie. And So I bought it for these, because, yeah, awesome sauce. So I got all of that. And she sent me, it's here, I know it's here, I just saw it. Yep. And she sent me this little thank you card, and in it is this sticker set of the Chibis, Harry Potter's Chibis. So, but she always handwrites a nice little thank you card. And so I got that. And I got this, which was $2. And this was like, she made this, you know, little cute little paper pack for Halloween. And so I grabbed it. So you've got some cardstock, 6x6 pieces, you know, and just really cute. Those are like embossed little witches. Some of these are double-sided and some of them are single-sided. See, some are double, some are single. And then there's, you know, like papers. And then she put in like some of the cut-apart cards. So I'm going to do like a whole journal, just like a whole, you know, album just out of this, I think, because it's cute. So I got that. Like I said, it was a couple of bucks. And then she had all of these stickers from the Dollar Tree, and we didn't get any of these in my Dollar Tree. So the first one is this one. Boob First Coffee, Happy Halloween, I put a spell on you, trick or treat, I love Halloween. Just stinking cute. And then there was this one. So I just bought like whatever she had left. And then there was this one, and a couple of these, and then I got like 4 of these. So I was very, very happy. And you know, these are $2 a piece, and I'm okay with $2 a piece. It's what I charge for Dollar Tree stickers. I know they're $1, but you know, when you think about it, you drive to the store, you get the stuff, and you know, you bring it home and all of that. For me, if I'm going to drive to the store to get them, I may have to go to 3 or 4 different Dollar Trees to find them. You know, like I might go into one and find like one and go, oh my god. So then I have to drive around to like 3 or 4 more to try and find more of them. So I figure gas and time, I charge, usually I charge $2 for them. So, you know, she charged $2 for them, and that's totally in line. And I was happy to pay it because I didn't have any of these in my local stores. But that's what I got, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So this is all the stuff that I got. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you're new here, I post regular videos every single Monday, and I do reviews or quickies on Wednesdays. I'm also live on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday at 10 a.m. Pacific. So if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. And then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a gigantic community. Until I see you again, stay safe. Bye-bye.